The summer humidity has been absolutely brutal in the workshop. We've had rain every day, and then you mix that with heat and with the machines running all day and the sawdust. So I decided to try out this 16,000 BTU portable air conditioner, and honestly, it's made a massive difference. The big thing for me was cooling power. My shop heats up fast between the lights, tools, dust collection system, and sometimes the cars parked in here. But this unit can handle rooms up to 750 square feet, so it cools this space down way faster than I expected. Instead of just blowing warm air around like a fan, this actually drops the temperature and keeps it comfortable while I'm working. What I like is that it's not just an air conditioner, it also works as a fan and dehumidifier, which is great in a workshop because humidity can make everything feel sticky and miserable. It's also making my metal tools rust. On damp days, running the dehumidifier mode helps the whole room feel cleaner and more comfortable. Another thing I noticed right away is how quiet it is for the amount of cooling it puts out. A lot of portable AC units sound like a jet engine, but this one has a sleep mode down around 42 decibels. I can still film videos, hear my tools, or listen to music without constantly fighting background noise. The smart controls are also surprisingly useful. I can adjust the temperature from my phone using the Wi-Fi app, or just grab the remote without walking across the shop covered in sawdust. Being able to cool the room before I even come out here is a huge bonus. Setup was pretty straightforward too. The window kit went in quickly, and the wheels make it easy to roll around the room if needed. Overall, if you need serious cooling for a workshop, garage, office, or large room, this has been a lifesaver during the hot weather.